Hey y'all, it's your girl Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over my favorite DIY hair mask. So this hair mask is great for if you have dry hair, so it's really good for nourishing your hair. It promotes hair growth, so it's great for that as well. If you are looking for a mask to just bring your hair back to life, give your curls that bounce that it needs, then this is the mask for you. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can get notified every time that I post. Alright, so let's get into this video. For this mask, you will need 5 ingredients. You will need an avocado, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a tablespoon of honey. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go over some of the benefits of these ingredients. So avocado is full of vitamins and proteins, and it promotes long, strong, healthy hair. Mayo is known for nourishing and moisturizing hair. It helps to find your curls and it calms frizzy hair. Eggs contain an abundant source of proteins and nutrients which serves as hair food. It also curbs hair loss by stimulating your scalp and nourishing it and strengthening your hair roots. Olive oil works really well to penetrate the hair shaft. I like olive oil because it's very lightweight, which makes it great for moisturizing. And the last ingredient is honey. Honey has antibacterial and antiseptic properties, which cleans the hair and rids it of impurities. Alright, so now I'm going to mix all these ingredients in the blender. Alright y'all, so now that I mixed together my concoction, it has like a creamy consistency. I might have put a little too much oil in there. But yeah, this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair in 2, and then I'm going to start from the bottom to the top. Alright, so I like to start from the bottom, so I kind of just dip my hair into the bowl. This can get really messy y'all, so just giving you guys a fair warning. And I just like to run it through. I really like to saturate the bottoms because this is where my hair is the most dry. Alright, now I'm going to do the other side. Just dip it in. As you can see, it's getting messy. I don't know if you can see, but it's getting messy. Usually I do it in the bathroom, but since I'm filming, I'm doing it in my room. Alright y'all, so now that I got it all in my hair, I'm going to go ahead and let it sit for about an hour. Sometimes I let it sit for a little bit more, but you know, you just really need an hour. So I'll let it sit in my hair for an hour. After that, I'm going to go ahead and shampoo, condition, put some leave-in conditioner, and then I will be back. Alright y'all, so this is how my hair looked after I washed out the mask. I also put some leave-in conditioner in and some oil as well. This is one of my favorite DIY masks, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. You can follow me on all my social media at Sahrascurls.